In this series of videos, I will be drawing a simple shape and applying a pocket toolpath, followed by a contour toolpath for the CNC router to cut out. So to start with, I will go to Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to zoom in, Z on the keyboard, and grab this TU symbol that I've downloaded from the Trinity University website. Control C. I'm going to drop it into a new file, and it can be pretty much any size. Control V. I'm going to update the stroke, and I will use the same values for vectors as we've been using for the Zing laser, and I will turn off the fill. Move it up here. I'm thinking that this shape, I want it to be around 3 inches, so I'll go ahead and incorporate that now. I've used the linking tab so that when I update the width, the height scales as well. So now I want to export this as an SVG. I'm going to drop it into my downloads file, and I will save this as TU. And I will navigate to Fusion now. I'm going to start a new tab. I'm going to initiate a sketch on the top plane. And now I can import using this insert tab here, that saved SVG. I click on the file, and I select my TU SVG, and it looks like a good spot. Say OK. And now I just need to draw a perimeter. And I kind of want it to mimic these straight lines here. So I'll make these guys parallel to each other, these parallel to each other, and I'll kind of bring it in a little bit closer. I'm not too concerned with it being perfect. It's just a quick representation of the profile. I'll go ahead and stop the sketch. Now I'm going to extrude E on the keyboard. I'll extrude everything up into a block. Now the material I have is hard foam or soft foam, and it's 1 inch thick. So I'll go ahead and make it the full thickness. And now I'll hide the body, show the sketch, and I'll do another extrude. And I want to start from the top of the object, so I'll show my body again. I will select the top vector, and I'll drop in about 1/8 of an inch, 0.1. And I actually want to be -0.1. I want to cut into the material. Now take a look. Looks pretty good. Now I'll add a fillet to the perimeter, F on the keyboard, and I will select the 4 corners. And I think a 0.1 fillet will work pretty good. Okay. Take another look at it. So right now is a good time to save. And I've created an engineering 21 folder, or new project folder. And for these CNC projects, I'm going to have the class store your projects in this folder. So I've navigated into the 2191 folder. I'm going to go ahead and create my personal folder. And the reason we're having you all put the programs in this folder so I can go back and double check your CAM settings prior to running them on the CNC. So I will save this as TU sample. Double check that I'm in the correct folder and save. On the next video, we'll do a setup in CAM and apply a toolpath.